What's good guys, right now I'm going to show you the quickest way you can improve the quality of your Instagram post. So before we get started, if the actual file you're trying to post is low quality, this isn't going to fix that. But if you're trying to post a high quality file that seems to be becoming compressed and lower quality once you post it, then just follow these steps to fix that. So to get started, it's very simple. All you're going to want to do is head over to your Instagram profile, and then in the top right corner, open your menu, select settings, go into account, then go into your data usage, and make sure high quality uploads is turned on. Once that's turned on, you can go ahead and upload your next post and you should see a big increase in your quality. If this helped you, please feel free to subscribe for more tips like this and comment below any other tutorials you'd like to see on this channel.